Hey guys, it's Brittany.
And it's Kathy.
And this is
12 times
awkward. Because we're amazingly awkward. You get it?
together.
To the 12 times of awkward. Don't do that, I'm taller than you. It only looks like it doesn't matter because you're closer to the phone.
Oh, I'm taller now.
And it's also in a mirror, so shut up.
Okay. So, this week's theme
It's
is Christmas. As you can tell,
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry
snowman. Shout out to my friend back in Arizona for giving these to me.
Shout out to Olaf because he's a snowman.
Oh.
It's a better high five than we did this morning.
Oh, yeah.
That was funny.
This replay.
That's what happened. It was so bad. Because I did it after I shaved my legs and it was just no.
Okay.
So, for our Christmas theme challenge, or week, we're
You're already messing up.
Yeah, I know. We're gonna be doing the
You sound funny.
Yeah,
challenge.
the You Sound Dumb challenge.
Oh, dumb.
Yeah, because you're dumb. And, what it is
Christmas edition.
Yeah, Christmas edition. I got an app, and what it does is, you have headphones, and you talk into it, and it plays back what, you're saying, but with a slight delay. So...
It messes up your brain.
It does. True story.
And we're doing it just for you.
Okay. What is it?
Oh, Jingle Bell Rocket.
You want me to sing Jingle Bell Rock?
No, Gabe's part in Santa Claus is Coming to Town.
Okay. Yeah, let's see if I can do this.
Okay.
No, I'm just kidding. Yeah.
Wow.
No, I can't do it yet. I haven't warmed up my voice, guys.
Oh my god, that was the
Best.
cutest thing.
Gabe's so adorable. Okay. Wait, let's see if I can even do it without it. I just forgot it.
Something chimney loading up stockings.
No, the first part, it's,
shoot.
I can't remember it. The first sentence. It's, Oh, I got it, okay.
Yeah.
Santa's coming, baby, can't you feel his presence?
Presents.
I'm so scared. It wouldn't stop. It was like, presents. And I was like, what came after? Oh. Running around town with a bag full of presents. Sliding down the chimney, loaded up your stocking. It sounds like a hyena. All night long we'll be Jingle Bell rocking. Send me some cookies and you can have the milk fireplace is pretty fun when we get out. Maybe we can melt. I know it's Christmas Eve, we should sleep, but it's party. I'm a nice guy, but let's get a little naughty. This is so scary. Jesus Christ.
Oh,
okay. You might want to put the other one in.
Yeah. It's falling.
To switch it on, just press it. Yeah, see, it's weird. What's it called?
Your mind is still, shoot, man. It's not...
Deal with it. What's it called? I had the song earlier, I told you about it. The Jingle Bell Rock. Or Jingle Bell Pop.
Oh.
Don't let the good times stop, play the Jingle Bell Rock.
Okay, how does it start? Wait. Oh, wait, it's a time. It's, right?
Something like that.
It's the time of the year. It's the time of the year where everybody's
Feeling holly
jolly.
Holly jolly. Something loaded with toys. No, that's not part.
Whoa.
Meet me in the dune. Yeah, play my favorite tune.
It would make my Christmas day. So gather around your fireplace.
You know, just do Heartless.
Well, I just listened to my Heartless. Wait. What? Oh my god, switch off.
Duke rap from Heartless or something.
Let's dance like Rebecca.
Ow, hit my foot.
Okay, Gabe's part. Shoot.
From Heartless.
I need to go to it.
Jesus, why are we so off on this? I mean, we're seeing them today.
I know. Like, all last night.
Do his part. No, I'm just kidding.
Can't walk out of the bathroom.
That's true. We're recording in the hotel bathroom. Isn't that fun?
Tis true. Tis true. Aha, I get it. I didn't even mean to. Tis. Like, tis.
Almost 7.
I'm starving.
Me too. I want to go there already and eat.
Me too.
Jesus.
I think we should.
Okay, well, we sounded pretty stupid.
Either way,
we sound stupid.
Yeah.
So this is goodbye, my fellow 12 times awkwarders. I don't know what we're calling
Awkwarders.
Yeah, I don't know what we're going to be calling people who watch this.
Awkies.
The Awkies? No.
You guys are the Awkies.
No. I like awkwarders. It sounds like Aquaman.
Yes. No, Aquaman from Smallville.
Oh my god, I haven't even seen Smallville. I haven't seen it in like forever. I've only seen like the first season.
Dude, you have to. It's awesome.
Because the guy's hot.
All of them, honestly. I mean, Clark Kent, Oliver Queen.
All of them are hot.
Lex Luthor.
Ew, Lex Luthor's so old and bald.
No, not in that one. He's young.
Still. He's probably old now. Okay.
Flash.
Okay, well, we're gonna say goodbye.
Aquaman.
Have you seen that new show, Arrow?
No, I haven't.
I haven't either, but I saw, like, the main character, because my friend Logan was like, hey, do you watch Arrow? And I was like, no, but the main character's hot. And he was like, no, he's not. And I was like, Logan, if you don't admit to me right now that he's hot, I'm going to keep sending you this octopus. And I kept sending him the octopus emoji. And it was pretty fun, because after, like, 20 minutes of sending him, he was like,
alright.
Okay, he's hot. He's hot. The guy from Arrow is hot. And I was like,
it's alright. I actually haven't seen him.
He's hot.
Yeah.
Okay, well, since we got off topic.
Oh, wait. We are going to discuss with the other people what you guys are going to be called. Just saying.
Yeah.
Putting that out there.
We got you guys.
Yeah.
We got you.
Comment
names. Comment
below.
names, yeah. Or go to the 12 Times Awkward's Twitter or Instagram.
True, 12 Times Awkward.
Yeah.
At
12 Times Awkward. Yeah. And say, like, names that you guys want to be called.
Yeah.
Because, like, there's Fibers, Cliffers, Swifters.
Robotics.
Lobotics. That's hot.
Many
names.
Many.
And I like Awkwarders.
Dude, I like Pine Nuts from Chris Pine.
Oh my god, I thought you were talking about now. I was like, why would we have Pine Nuts in this name?
I like that one. I mean, that was
creative. We
creative.
could call them 12ers.
Like toddlers?
Yeah, like toddlers. Yeah, see, they're toddlers. But yeah. So that's our video. Hope you guys like it. If you have a name, you know, just talk to us on Twitter or something. You know, that's feels. Got you. Anyways, we love you guys. Thanks for watching.
Yes. Watch all the other girls' videos.
Yeah. Hopefully they're better than ours.
Probably.
So, yeah, we love you guys. We'll see you guys soon. Bye.
Bye.
It worked. Hey guys, it's Brittany.
And I'm Kathy.
They know you're Kathy.
And they know you're Brittany.
Dude,
I
said,
this
hey,
conversation.
It's Brittany. I said, hey, it's Brittany. You said, and hi, I'm Kathy.
Okay,
Like,
it's Kathy.
God.
It's Christmas. Okay. I got it.
You're going. Because I already did one technically.
You suck.
Do Gabe's part from Santa Claus is Coming to Town.
Dude, I need to like listen to the song to actually sing it.
Here, I'll play it too. Oh well, too bad. Go. You have to say it.
Oh.
Here, you want me to play it too?
Yeah.
Oh my Jesus. Santa.
I thought you said.
That's so loud.
Yeah.
Is that it?
No. I can't even sing it. I don't even know it.
Okay, ready to do Gabe's part?
I don't even know it.
You don't?
No.
Oh my god, we'll try.
Okay. Oh God. Santa's coming. The presents. the stockings. Along with the jingle bell rocking. Says I said the milk. So.
Oh my god.
Naughty. Let's go. It's gonna be a little naughty.
I don't even know what that was. But Jesus, that was interesting.
I didn't know anything.
Okay, what do you want me to do?
Wait, is that it?
Well, I thought we were switching off.
Wait, I say that and then what? Because I didn't hear crap.
It was probably because the music was playing so loud.
Okay. Santa homie.
What?
Santa homie.
Are you talking about Santa Baby?
Homie.
I've never heard Santa Homie.
From my bad?
I don't think so. I know the other ones.
It's... Oh, I forgot how it goes, but like Santa homie. Get up and tell me Okay, say... I was asleep last night when I heard a thumping in the fireplace.
We don't have a fireplace in the hotel.
Oh, well, it's make-believe. Okay, so...
I was asleep last night when I heard thumping in the fireplace.
I woke up.
I woke up
And
like
it was
this.
there.
I woke up like this. I woke up like... That's a good song.
I've never heard it.
You don't listen to anything, but I invite. The dedication is real. That's pretty boring.
So what happens? Like, how do you hear yourself?
Do the holiday mashup. The holiday mashup.
Let me remember. How it starts.
And you have to hold this.
Idiotizer?
Yeah, that's what it's called. That's the app, by the way. For this. Hurry up.
I'm trying to remember how it goes.
Feliz. Sing Feliz Navidad.
I can't hear. Oh, you sing it with me. You sing it. Ba, 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 ba.
Ba 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 ba.
Feliz Navidad.
Do 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 do. I think I got it.
Feliz Navidad. Prospero año y felicidad.
You have to sing it like into the phone or into the mic, because the mic's right there.
Oh, I sing Spanish and then you sing English.
No, I don't even know what it's saying in English.
I want to wish you a Merry Christmas.
Oh. Really? It just repeats the same thing like 3 times?
The whole song.
Jesus.
Pretty much.
I thought it was like different.
No.
God.
Feliz Navidad.
Brr, 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 brr.
Okay, switch on.
You want to redo a new video?
Yeah.
This one sucks.